Hey there. Today for our reading practice, I need you to make sure you have your sheet of Braille that's labeled 1-23, just like what's on the screen. So go ahead and pause the video and make sure that your page matches with the numbers there. I'm going to show you what your page looks like here in this image. So pause the video and make sure they match up. Once they match up, you can press play. Before we start reading, I want to make sure that we remind each other of how we best read Braille, and that is to make sure we're sitting nice and tall, our arms are in front of us, and we're reading Braille with 2 hands and as many fingers as possible on the Braille line. The first time you watch this video, I'm going to read to you as you follow along. The second time you watch this video, you're going to read along with me at the same time. And then after you've done both of those things and you feel like you're reading the sentences very well, you're going to make a video of yourself reading the same sentences so that you can show me how you've been reading when I'm not there. Remember, all of this is to practice what we call fluency. And fluency is when you read in a way that is smooth and sounds pleasing. You're reading in a way similar to the way that we talk. Okay, so let's go to the first line. It has the purple arrow. I'm putting both of my hands on the Braille page and I'm going to read and you're going to listen to me on the first try. Can you see that I may not make it? Now we're going to slide our fingers back and go down to the next line, which has a black arrow. Now only use your eyes to look at the arrows if you get off track or it feels differently than what I'm reading. So in the version on the screen I have a typo, but in the version that I'm giving you I'm fixing it. But anyway, we're going to read it together. You're going to listen to me. I am a very little thing. Okay? Slide back and go down. Now we're on the line with the blue arrow. Let's go. He said, you can write a little for it. Nice. Slide back and go down. The next line is green. Here we go. We will come back if it is not little. Slide back and go down. The next line is pink. Here, look at that one for a little. Slide back and go down. The last line on this page is gray. I know you can see that very thing. Awesome. So I'm going to go back all the way up, and this time, if it's your second time reading through, you can listen to me and read it at the exact same time. So we're going to smoothly and fluently read this together. Ready? Let's go. 2 hands on the page. Purple line first. Can you see that I may not make it? Slide back and go down. Black line. I am a very little thing. Slide back and go down. Blue line. He said you can write a little for it. Slide back and go down. Green line. We will come back if it is not little. Slide back and go down. Pink line. Here, look at that one for a little. Slide back and go down. The last line is gray. I know you can see that very thing. Awesome. We've practiced, and you might have practiced more than just watching this video through one time. You might have practiced a bunch of times, but by now, hopefully, you are feeling good with your ability to read all 6 of these sentences. So I want you to get your iPad or get your Chromebook and open the camera and record a video of yourself reading the same passage. And your teacher can help you if you need help, or if you want to wait until I come back for our next lesson, we can go ahead and record it then. But I just want you to see how great of a job you're doing when you're reading Braille. Great work today. Thanks.